Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Matt with Green Bar Trading. And what works for you? Okay. How do we find out what works for your day trading, for your swing trading, for your investing? You need to figure this out for yourself. And the only way to do that is by trial and error. So, what I mean by what works best for you is you need to develop a set of rules that you follow and guides you to not making so many mistakes so that you could become consistently profitable over the long term. So, what works for me is to not trade much on Fridays. For some reason, Fridays, whether it's the summer, whether it is, just some erratic type of moves that we've seen in the past, Fridays in the summer just does not usually work for me. So what I wanted to do today was come in, try to get, a little bit of profit and shut it down. And, that mental exercise of being able to shut it down when there's still a lot more time to trade, you're not at daily goals. We're only up $80 today, but that is so much better than being red. I know it's not a lot, but it is just, I like to go into the weekend on a good note. I don't want to continue to trade. So if I take another trade, the day in general has been nothing but up. Okay. We pulled on back a little bit, grinded higher, and then making new highs. We're basically at the day's highs right now. So for me to trade, am I going to take a reversal trade? Am I going to short it up here? Am I going to look for a double top? No, don't want to do that. It's tough to predict, very tough to predict the top, especially when the market is this strong. So if I was going to be doing anything today, it would be to be buying at support and then looking for, some moves higher, but there's just not any meat left on the bone here. We're at highs. So for me, the best thing to do is take the 80, stuff it in my pocket, and wrap it up. And that's what I'm going to do. So you need to figure out, what works for you. Where do you make mistakes? What's the best times of day that you're trading? And you need to be taking these notes. What's the best thing for you to trade? What have you had success on? What time frames have you had success on? And, start to journal these things. And what works for you is for yourself, because not every trader is built the same. We all have different emotions. We all have different strategies. We all have different rules. Some have bigger accounts, some have smaller accounts. So that's just what I wanted to come on here really quickly. I don't want to take too much of your Friday and go over. But what works for you? You need to figure this out. So that's it, guys. $80. We're wrapping up the day. 2 trades, 2 for 2, small green day. And that's it. Hit the thumbs up for the video, and I'll see you back on the next one. Take care, guys.